Hello and welcome to another CF Power Scripts tutorial with me, Christian Rauchenwald. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the SmartLook Power Script to add the SmartLook code to your funnels without actually dealing with any kind of custom code. Now, as always, in order to get started, you will need to log into your CF Power Scripts account. And once there, from the Power Scripts dashboard, head to the Power Scripts section. Now, theoretically, you could add this script to all of your funnels, but since you may be using different domains, I recommend that you add it to the funnel that you want to add SmartLook to. And I'm going to pick our development funnel here for this. Now, within the funnel itself, all you have to do is click on Add New, look for the SmartLook Power Script, click on it, and then simply click on the text link below to either create your free SmartLook account or log into your existing account. And once you're logged in or you created your account, you will create a new project, and you may either see a view that looks like this, or you may see the project view that shows you the tracking code that you should enter. Now, if you're seeing the tracking code, there is a text that says copy project ID or project key or something similar to this, and that's what you want to do. But if you already have an account like we do, what you need to do is you need to open the drop down here to show your projects and click on Manage Projects. Now here we'll see a list of your project, and you can just go on tracking code and copy the project key down here. So you don't need to copy all the code above, you just need the project key. Go back to CF Power Scripts, paste it in here and click on Add Script. And just like that, you have successfully added SmartLook to your funnel, and it will start recording your user sessions so you can draw conclusions to where users drop off and know exactly where you need to split test or change things to improve your conversion and opt-in rates. Now, as always, if you have any question whatsoever, and even if you have questions about SmartLook, take a look at our FAQ. And if you cannot find the answer there, as always, go ahead, create a post within our Facebook community, or if you're a member of our VIP plan, simply ask within the live chat of the Slack application you have access to. Thanks for watching, and even more so, thanks for using CF Power Script. See you in one of our other tutorials. Till then, bye-bye.